Right, you wanted to see close up of this hitch. There you go. That's the underside of it. I'll just show you the way it works. I've got the trailer here, and I don't know if you can see that as it goes in. I will do it from the side here. See what occurs. The trailer comes down, slides over into the hole, and it slots into place. And you can see that the hitch is actually in a slot inside. So when the truck turns, the hitch turns the actual shaft. Now that's hooked under a grey bush, as you can see in there. This hooks underneath it, so slides into place, slots in. When the truck pulls forward, it's holding the hitch on, no problem at all, as you can see. Could be improved, but that's what I've done for now. And it's a straight in and out. It won't come back out because I've got the grey part in the back here, so that in a reversing manoeuvre, even though it could pop out, it doesn't, because it pushes up against the shaft of the trailer and stops it from coming out. So there you go, that's the hitch.